Honestly, these are my favorite birds. They're so cute. No. Look, they're just having such a fun time. With a stupid face. You're so stupid. Oh. Come on. You can't get away from me. No, come back. Don't go. Don't go. Okay, what about you? No? Okay, you're gone too. Damn it. What's up, homie? This weird one. So weird. These ones are everywhere, and they just hang out. They don't even care. Like, whatever. Just some friends hanging out. What are you doing? What are you doing, you freak? What are your... Oh my gosh. What are you? They don't even care. They don't even care. Oh. I hope you guys fall in. I hope you guys fall in. You guys are cool. You can stay afloat. You guys definitely need to fall in, and you too. Also, we need to talk about how fat the pigeons are here.